Good morning, dear student. Today we shall discuss substitution method, chapter pair of linear equation in two variables, exercise 3.3. This is the first question, and remember, substitution method is going to come for an examination for 2 marks. Now, you must understand one problem, then later on easily you can solve so many questions by yourself. Let us begin. The equations will be given like this. Pair of linear equation in two variables means two equations will be given to us. And here they are not going to ask you a particular method. They will ask you to solve the value of x and y by a suitable method. So for that there are the three methods. One is substitution, elimination and cross multiplication method. So whichever you felt easy, by that method you can apply the examination. Let me teach first, that is substitution method. The given equation x plus y which is equals to 40. This I can say equation number 1. The second equation also given x minus y which is equals to 4. This I can say equation number 2. You have to choose any one equation as to modify, and that modified equation you should substitute in the alternate equation. I need to say, suppose if I modify this equation, this value I must substitute in this one. So I am going to modify this equation because this seems to be little bit easier. So observe this, if I shift this side, that is minus by this side, it becomes x is equals to 4 plus 1, and this I can say as equation number 3. Once I modify this equation you should not re-substitute in this one, because if you substitute, the total answer is going to come 0. So instead of putting in this substitution, in this equation, you must substitute in the first equation. So here I will write a sentence here. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So what I have written here? Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So you should see what is the equation number 1. X plus y is equals to 40. Now wherever x will be there, I am going to replace 4 plus y. So this I will write as 4 plus y which is equals to 40. Now observe y plus y, 2y which is equals to 40 minus of 4. From where that minus 4 comes, this plus 4 are shifted to the other side. Now this becomes 2y is equals to 10, y is equals to 10 by 2, which is nothing but it gives us 1. So this is the value of y. Same way this value we have to resubstitute in the equation number 3 to get x. So here I write substitute y is equals to 5 in equation 3. You can substitute in any of the equation, but this is the directly you get here. If you substitute here, you get directly x. If you substitute here, again you have to solve further for it. So better which is directly gives us the x, in that we have to substitute. So x is equals to 4 plus y. X is equals to 4 plus y. Therefore, x is equals to 9. Whether your answer is correct or not, you can check it just by substituting in it. X is 9, y is 5, so 9 plus 5 is nothing but 14. Same way you check here, 9 minus 5 is nothing but 4. So like this, you have to solve it. This is the first problem. Let me teach you further few problems so that you can become perfect in this. Now I will write second question. S minus t is equals to 3. This is, and s by 3 plus t by 2 which is equals to 6. So observe, this is the second question that also we have to solve by the substitution method. This is the simplest equation. We need not to do anything. So this I can give it as equation number 1. But for this equation, observe these are in the fraction, and in between the fraction, whenever plus or minus sign comes, you must take the LCM for it. So now the LCM of 3 and 2, 6 it is. So in the 3 table, when 6 will come, that you should multiply at the top. 3 2s are 6. In 2 table, when 6 will come, 2 3s are 6. Like this. Then multiply this with this one. 2 into s, 2s plus 3 into t, 3t, which is equals to 6. This 6 you must cross multiply that. So this becomes 2s plus 3t, which is equals to 6 exactly 6 is. So this I can say as equation number 2. Now I will modify the equation number 1. Observe here. S is equals to 3 plus of t. This I can say equation number 3. Now I am going to substitute the equation number 2 in equation number 3. So what shall I write here? See here, substitute equation 3 in equation 3. So what is the equation 2? First let me know that 2s plus 3t, which is equals to 36. In this, wherever I found s, I am going to replace 3 plus t. So here 2s is there. So 2 in the bracket 3 plus t, out of the bracket plus of 3t, which is equals to 36. So this 2 is out of the bracket. We need to multiply 2 3s are 6 plus 2t plus 3t, which is equals to 36. You can observe 2t plus 3t, 5t, 36 minus of 6. Plus 6 shifted that side, minus 6. So this becomes 5t is equals to 30, t is equals to 30 by 5, which gives us 6. So this is the value of t. Now this value of t, you have to resubstitute back in this one so that you can get the value of s. So I'll write here, substitute t is equals to 6 in equation 3. In equation 3. Once we substitute, what will get here? S is equals to 3 plus t is there. So s is equals to 3 plus 6. S is equals to 9. So these are the two required answers. Let us check. Just see 9, 9, 1, 6, 3. Yeah, it is. So like this, you have to solve the problems based on the substitution method. One more problem I will teach you, which is on point type. Just see. So what is that question? 0.2x plus 0.4y and 0.3y it is, which is equals to 1.3, and another equation 0.4y 4x plus 0.5y, which is equals to 2.3. So look at this. This is in the decimal form, is there? No matter, let it be in decimal. So here you see here, after one digit point is there, one digit same way. So what I do here, you can write multiply. I am going to multiply by what? Unit 10. So I am going to multiply by 10 both sides. Both the side, that side as well as this side. Here also. Multiply by 10. Once you multiply by 10, it becomes 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. Is equals to what? 13. Same way that side what it will become? 4x plus 5y is equals to 22. This is answer equation number 2. Once we do, you know, as it is again, we are familiar about this. Again, we have to modify. 2x is equals to 13 minus 3y. X is equals to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. This I will say as equation number 2. Now this modified equation, we must substitute in the equation number 2, not in this one. If you substitute in this one, the answer is going to become 0. Now I will write here sentence, substitute equation 3 in equation number 2. So what is the equation number 2 here? This is 4x 5y, which is equals to 23. Now wherever x is there, I am going to replace this. So it becomes 4 in the bracket 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y, which is equals to 22. Now what will be the next step? I can cancel this 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 13 twos are 26 minus 6y plus 5y, which is equals to 23. You know minus 6y plus 5y is nothing but minus y, which is equals to 23 minus 26. Therefore, minus y is equals to minus 3, minus minus both sides get cancelled, y is equals to 2. So this y is equals to 3, we will resubstitute back here. Observe, x is equals to 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2, x is equals to 13 minus 9 by 2, which is nothing but 4 by 2, which gives us 2. So finally we will get our answer, x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3. So like this you have to solve the problems which are based on the substitution method.